I'm Julie, and I'm here today talking to Marie from Kleinertz, and we're talking about the disposable underarm pads. Now, Marie, I understand that you have quite a variety of disposable underarm pads. Please explain who would use these and when they would use them.
Well, we have 4 different types of disposable underarm pads. The one I'm going to show you now is our Ultra disposable underarm pad. This is our #1 bestseller. It's an easy peel and stick. What makes this difference is it has 3 times the absorbency of a regular disposable underarm shield. As you can see on the back, it has adhesive. If you just roll your finger over it, you can easily peel it off and stick it onto your blouse. Very easy. Our next shield is our economy shield, specially contoured to fit into any suit blouse, any type of shirt that you're wearing. This is for light to moderate sweating. Very economical. You get 24 shields in a package, and this is a great seller too. Then, of course, let's not forget us women. We have a petite disposable underarm shield made especially for young girls, adolescents, petite women. It's the same as the Ultra, but in a smaller size.
That's great.
Okay, and then last but not least, we have our sleeveless disposable underarm shield, highly absorbent and noiseless, great for wedding gowns, any type of gown you're wearing, any type of tank top that is sleeveless.
Now, how easy is it to apply these to your clothing?
They are super easy. It's just a peel and stick. You just take a shield. You have adhesive strips on the back. It's better to just peel from the middle, and it comes right off. Okay, so you peel this off, there's 3 strips, and then you just lay it into the seam of the blouse in your armpit, and it'll fit right in.
How absorbent is this product?
Well, these are super absorbent. Let me show you something. Here I have mixed some laundry detergent and water, so you could see the colorization in this, and I'm going to pour it on our Ultra. Here it goes, pouring a lot. It spreads through, and of course we have a polyurethane backing. Look how much fluid it's holding.
Wow, that is incredible. And that doesn't go through to the other side. It won't go through.
Nope.
Wow, so
this
it
is
really...
a polyurethane backing, so it'll block the perspiration from coming through on your clothes. And as a matter of fact, we have a model, Ellie. I'd like to bring her out.
Oh, excellent.
So you can see what it looks like.
Hello.
Hi, Ellie.
Hi.
If you could just open your shirt or your blouse a little bit.
Wow, that's incredible.
And the great
And it
news.
just folds right over.
Right, it's noiseless. You can't tell she's wearing it. You can't even feel it, right?
It's great. And you can't even see that there's anything there, and you can't hear anything.
This will save you a bundle on dry cleaning.
Wow, and will this help to eliminate odor as well?
Yes, absolutely.
That's great. And what about skin irritation? Is there any concern or worry
We've never
about
had
that?
one customer complain about skin irritation.
And will this last the whole day?
Yes, it'll last the whole day, and then you can just throw it away. It's super easy.
Okay, and can she wear it for more than one time, or is it?
She can, but we suggest that you only wear it for one time.
Great. Thank you, Allie. That's
I'd like
excellent.
to also bring Jeff. Jeff, could you come out? This is a unisex product.
Oh, it's for men too.
Absolutely.
Perfect.
Hi, come on
Jeff.
over. If you could just open your shirt to show our customers.
Oh my gosh, that's
It's an easy peel and
incredible.
stick. Jeff, how long did this take you to put on?
Maybe 5 seconds.
That's great.
And this is a dress shirt, and it went in. There's no wrinkling or anything, and I don't even see a trace of anything under
and you
there.
can't hear it. It's noiseless.
That's incredible, and it's comfortable.
Yeah, I don't feel it.
You don't even know it's there.
No, it's great.
That's incredible.
Thank you very much.
Wow. And now, is this good on all types of clothing?
Yes, on all types of clothing. You can wear it from silks to cotton to polys. It's great.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much, Marie. What a great product.